It just breaks my heart. I'm just so helpless.
Come home and my wife's telling me that she's tired. What a life. Come home late and can't enjoy the family.
Good morning, good afternoon, and good night. Yes, this is how you guys will be getting most of my morning vlogs. Yes, my love, I just stepped off the treadmill. Just stepped off the treadmill. Ooh, I need to catch my breath. 7 miles later, and girl, can I tell you, I feel accomplished. I am tired, but that's okay. That's totally okay. Hubby and I did some weights last night. We did some dumbbells last night. He keeps messaging me and telling me how much he's in pain. But no pain, no gain. We're gonna do this. We're gonna continue doing it. Don't sit around and tell yourself that you're going to wait. Do not limit yourself. Get up and work out. If you can't run, walk. If you can't walk, skip. If you can't skip, jump. Do something. Don't sit around and wait. Don't sit around and feel sad. Don't sit around and complain about how you want to lose the weight, but you're not doing anything to lose the weight. And if you're not aiming to lose weight, like I am not aiming to lose weight, I just want to get fit and stay fit. However, I am working on losing belly fat, which is working for me, and boy, I'm getting my results, and oh how I'm loving it. So I'm feeling pumped. I just finished running and I'm now heading to do some abs. So Lego. Workout was so good. No baby, no Tyler, no, not in the kitchen. Avoir baby, avoir. Workout was so good this morning, and I'm super tired. I got freshened up and made Tyler some fruits, and I felt for some boiled eggs this morning. But first, what I'm going to do is I'm going to have a glass of lemon water that I've been having a lot of lemon water recently. So the first thing I do in the mornings before I eat anything, I have a glass of lemon water. So I'm just squeezing one lemon into my smoothie jar, and then I'm just gonna fill this up with some water, and that's how I normally start my morning. By the time I finish drinking this, my eggs should be ready. So yep. So I got about this amount of lemon juice from the lemon. So I'm just gonna fill this up with water. This lemon is very strong though, but I don't mind it. If you can manage it, then that's even better for you. But not everybody likes the strong taste of lemon like that, but I really don't mind. So this is how I'm gonna start my morning, and maybe I'll have a detox tea after if I feel for it, or if not, I'll have it sometime throughout the day or later tonight, or maybe none at all. Comment below and tell me how you guys start your mornings. Ooh, 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 that's strong, you guys. Man, that's strong. Today's really cloudy outside. It's so cloudy outside. Let's see if you guys can see outside. That's outside. It's really cloudy. There's no sun today. I don't know what's happening, but it's really foggy. Even looking across the city over here, you can see how cloudy it is. I was really looking forward to some sun today, but you know, funny enough, it's really fall in this city. We rarely get rain. I can count the amount of time I've seen rain since we are here in this city, but oh, you guys, this lemon is the strongest one that I've had all week. This lemon is a 10. Ooh, ooh, glory. My gosh. You guys, don't, Tyler, come and get your toy. You guys, this lemon is hot. Have you said good morning from morning? Mommy haven't let you say good morning. Say hi. Bye. Say hello. You just want to share your toy with them? You just want to share your toy? Oh, you're giving them kisses. Mwah. Say hello. Good morning. Cuckoo, I see you. He's playing hide and seek. Cuckoo. Boo. See you. Au revoir. He's so funny. I am so tired. I'm so exhausted. Oh my gosh, you guys. Somebody rescue me. Man, I have so much things doing. Plus watching my baby. I'm tired. I'm so tired. Tyler woke up from his nap crying for like 45 minutes, non-stopping. And my guess is that his teeth is bothering him because he's pushing up so much of them all at once. Is that all the corner ones coming up, top and bottom one time, and he's just drooling away. And I give him some medicine, but I guess it stopped working after a while because he stopped crying. But man, I don't know if you mothers have the same feeling that I do, but when my baby is crying and I can't do anything at all to help him, it takes me from 10 to 100 real quick. Come up. Come here, mama. Come up here. Come. You're running away. You're tripping over your toys. He took one of his toy box and just emptied it out on the floor. So that's my floor right now. My floor is a mess. He took his vehicle, his truck in from yesterday, and he just, oh man, he just succumbed to me for the past hour and a half and doesn't want to leave me at all. It's now, what time is it? 5 o'clock, which means it's time for me to to start cooking dinner soon. I don't know if you guys, you mothers, feel the same when your baby's crying and you just can't do anything about it. It just breaks my heart. I'm just so helpless. I just feel crazy, and it just gets me so mad when I can't do anything to help him. It's just so sad. But that's a mommy life. That's a mommy life. I just have to deal with it. I'm here doing some French lesson on a website that I've been doing it from recently. It's getting hard as time goes by, but it is what it is. It will forever be an ongoing process. It will forever be a learning process, and I'm getting better each day. But I'll be forever learning this language. But I think when Tyler starts going to school, it will be easier for me because I'll be going on the journey with him. So like helping him with homeworks and projects and all that will make it more easier for me to learn the language easier, faster. It will make it easier for me to learn the language faster. So I'm so looking for Tyler to start school in 2 years, or like in a year and a half, because he's gonna be 2 in summer, so in another year. And I still think he's not feeling so well. He's been whining a lot. Come. You little silly boy. What's wrong? You wanna tell them what's wrong? You wanna tell them that your mouth is bothering you? Give mommy a kiss. By the way, he give kisses on his forehead. He doesn't give nobody his lips, not even his mommy and his daddy. When you say, Tyler, give me a kiss, he gives it his forehead like this. He doesn't give kisses anywhere else. I love you. You love mama?
Baba.
Papa is at work.
Papa.
Papa is at work.
Papa.
Papa is at work. Oh, my boo not feeling well. It's okay. You and your pacifier. You must know that he's really not feeling well when he's crying and you give him his pacifier and he throw it away. He doesn't want it. You really know then that his mouth is bothering him. So yeah, let me stop rambling, you guys, and I'm gonna go finish up some lessons and go cook until the hubby gets home. I don't even know what time he's getting home because he's not in the city today. He's away to another city all day, and I haven't heard from him in a while. Dinner today, I'm having oven roast chicken and some Brussels sprouts and carrots that I cook with some seasoning sometimes and garlic. But that's as much as what I feel for today. So yeah, that's dinner for me. Vroom. Vroom, vroom. The vroom, vroom. Vroom, vroom. Vroom, vroom.
That's how your party is.
Vroom, vroom. The vroom, vroom. The vroom, vroom, mama, vroom, vroom. Beep, beep. You gotta give me a ride off your truck. Vroom. So cute. Hey guys, it's officially the end of the night. Tyler is down. He's out completely. He was giggling and playing like crazy before he went to bed. And as you can see, I'm pretty sleepy. And babe here just got home.
Hi guys. It's kinda late today, but I'm meeting and now I just come home and my wife telling me that she's tired. What a life. So a lot of respect to every husband who work hard and just come home late and can't enjoy the family. Hard.
Is he trying to tell me something right now? I'm tired, you guys. Tired. I'm crashing. So I'm just going to end the vlog here. Oh my gosh. Go ahead and give this video a thumbs up, comment down below, share,
and subscribe if it's your first time watching us, and don't forget to click the bell so you can get the notification exactly the moment when we upload. So we'll catch you guys in our next video. Bye guys.